Welcome to Keto Labs How to series. Today, we're going to demonstrate how to work with Databricks Notebook. Let's sign into Databricks and get started. First, access the Workspace in Databricks to manage notebooks. We opened an existing folder. Now let's discuss how to create a new notebook. Either we can right-click on the folder and select Create, and then select Notebook. Alternatively, we can click the Create option and select Notebook. Note that we can create a notebook inside an existing folder or at the top level of the workspace. Now let's discuss how to rename a new notebook. Once the notebook is created, click on the notebook name at the top to rename it for easier identification. We will name it KL Notebook. Next, let's set a language for the notebook. Databricks Notebooks consist of a collection of cells that support multiple programming languages. To set a default programming language, click the drop-down arrow and select one of the options. Here SQL is selected. Next, let's have a look at the toolbar. The Run All option executes all cells in the notebook. The Connect option attaches or detaches a cluster to the notebook. The Schedule option allows setting of automatic execution of the notebook. The Share option enables sharing the notebook with others. Now let's have a look at the menu bar. File includes options such as Save, Export, and Manage Notebooks. Edit includes options such as Undo, Redo, and Copy content. View offers a few layout options. Run includes options such as Run cells and Stop execution. Help can provide access to documentation and support. Now let's discuss cell functionalities. Using the language selector, we can change the programming language for the cell. The trashcan icon allows us to delete the cell. Through the AI assistant, we can access tools to help with coding. Focus mode enables us to concentrate on the current cell by hiding others. The three dots provide additional options. Next, let's run a cell with SQL. We will use the SQL command in this cell as shown on the screen. Click the Run icon to execute it. Alternatively, we can also press Ctrl plus Enter to run the cell. Finally, let's run multiple cells with Python. Click on plus code. Then, from the language selector, choose Python for this cell. We will use the Python command in this cell as shown on the screen. Repeat by clicking plus code and selecting Python for additional cells and adding different Python commands. Finally, click the drop-down arrow on the Run icon and choose Run All below to execute all subsequent cells in the notebook. In this tutorial, we covered some of the most important features of Databricks Notebooks. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.